First meet with a couple, I like to try to explain to them where they are in what we call the spiral experience, which is all Imago relationship therapy in theory. So when a couple or two people who are prospective couple get involved with each other, they are always in unconscious, reactive, symbiotic relationship. What does that mean? It means that we are full blown in romantic love, infatuation, and ecstasy. So think about this. Think about words that describe that first feeling when you see that person across the room. Think about maybe butterflies in the stomach, maybe sweaty palms, maybe heart racing. That's romantic love. Maybe the thought of, oh my gosh, I think I found the one. All of that is romantic love. And romantic love can go on for anywhere from 4 to 8 months, typically, or 1 to 8 months. So after that starts to eventually slow down